Welcome back everyone, Mudford here. Today I'm out in the shop working on the Honda 400EX. When I did my 400EX engine rebuild video, I kind of ran out of time and I did not put setting the cam timing or setting the valve lash. So I thought today I would go back and show you how to do that. So I think you can see the mark right there, that's top dead center. You can turn the bolt there to get it lined up. So now we just have to get our sprocket on and get our cam lined up the way we need it. It does have one side marked out, which I have out. Just throw in some assembly lube. Okay, you can see the mark right there on the sprocket. There's another one right there. They're even with the head, so that is what you want. My exhaust is back on, but the cam tensioner is back here. And there's a procedure for loosening that up and locking it. What I did was, and it worked for me, I know it's not recommended, but I just took the screws out that held the cam tensioner and left it extended, and then when I got it all in place, I just put it back in and it worked fine. What you can do is make or buy a stopper tool, and you can turn this and it will bring the tensioner in, further in, and then it'll lock it until you're ready to release it once you have everything lined up the way you want. Okay, now we got the gasket on. We're going to go ahead and throw the valve cover on. I'm just checking the valve lash right now. This is the intake side. It should be 0.004 inch. So I have a feeler gauge here. I need to slide it in. Feels pretty good. And it slides in and out fine. So we'll call the intake's good. The exhaust is 0.005. You're not going to be able to see that just because of where it's at. It's fitting in good on this side. It actually seems a little bit tight on this side. Whoops. This was the only one I wasn't able to check before because I could not get the cap off. I actually broke the cap, so I got a new cap for this one. I'm going to go ahead and back it off just a hair to get the correct lash on this one. Something's not quite right there. Okay, I think I got it pretty good now. Back it off just a hair. I think that's just what we're looking for. I'm going to go ahead and put the caps on. Hopefully we can get this thing fired up